Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have another Bibbidi Box unboxing. So, if you are unfamiliar with Bibbidi Boxes, they are a monthly subscription box. You can get Disney, Marvel, Harry Potter, Star Wars. I get Disney. They range from like $9.99 for stickers and decals all the way up to $2.99 for 2 designer items. I get the $119 Ultimate Magic Box, which kind of lands right in the middle. It's very easy. You sign up and you fill out a preference sheet. You tell them all of your likes, dislikes, favorite characters, collections that you have, your sizes, if you want clothing, what you like for food, if you have any food allergies, and that kind of directs them and guides them as they pick the items for your box. And then every month you also get a wish list, and you can go down through the wish list and heart the things that you might like to see in your box. I typically don't select anything off of the wish list. I just let them go off of my preference sheet, and they've done an exceptional job. If you go back and look through all of my Bibbidi Box videos, like, they nail it every time. They do a great job for me. It's pretty fun to open the box. This month I did actually put 2 things on my wish list. The box is pretty heavy, so I'm thinking that maybe they did pull one of the things off the wish list. Both items were the same price and they were both fairly expensive. But let's get in here and see what we've got. So the first thing I noticed is that it is a Halloween box. So you have the Mickey bats and the Halloween colored lollipops and ice cream cones and balloons and ghosts and pumpkins. And I think, a lot of people might think that was weird because this is my March box, but Halloween is my favorite holiday, so I'm actually really okay with it. The more Halloween boxes I get, the better. It came wrapped in plastic wrap, but I already took that off. It's upside down. Love that. All right. Here's my packing slip. A quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please update your Preference Manager account by logging into Bibbidi Club. So that is another thing about your preference sheet. You can say that you don't mind having fewer items if they're higher priced things, but if you'd rather just have more stuff and have it be more inexpensive items, you can check that option. I'm okay with it being pricier things and just getting like 1 or 2 things in a box. Got this. Is this the same calendar I already have? I mean, I like calendars. I'm suspect. 2022 iconic Walt Disney World wall calendar. Okay. I did already get this in a box. It's the Walt Disney World magazine calendar. They're beautiful, beautiful photos. See if they have my birthday on here. What? How dare they? How dare they? I don't need 2, but it's a lovely calendar, so I'm not disappointed. That's fine. We've got purple tissue paper with a Bibbidi sticker. Oh, and so many foozles. Oh, what a mess. All right, we got something in here. Lillian & Co. This is a surprise item. It comes in a cute little velvet bag. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a little black bracelet. And it says, "I find your lack of faith disturbing." I do love Darth Vader. I don't know if you guys saw, I will link the videos above, but we got back from the Galactic Star Cruiser just a few weeks ago, and we went because it was something that Mike really wanted to do, and I was just kind of like tagging along because it was something new. It was seriously some of the most fun I've ever had. Ever had. I went in with kind of tempered expectations. It blew me away. Like, I can't wait to go back. The guys, my dad, Mike, and Pete all want to go, and I was like, there's no way you are going without me. So I love this. And I kind of cheated because it comes with a little card in the box, which says, "I find your lack of faith disturbing. To all your naysayers and doubters who say your dreams will never come true, look them in the eye and say, I find your lack of faith disturbing. Then prove them wrong." I like that. Very cool. All right, put this bad boy on. Perfect. All right, and then my big item. All right. Just double check, but yeah. All right, that's it. All right, now you can see the box. You know. It's a Disney Traditions Jim Shore. But which Jim Shore is it? I don't know. Let's find out together. All right. I just get so nervous pulling these out. All right, let's get our scissors. I'm gonna have to show you what I just did. Tried to cut along the gap in between the two pieces of styrofoam. Missed it like 2 or 3 times. It's right here. Cut down here, cut up here. I think I cut up top twice. So dumb. So there were 2 that I put on my wish list. One was of the Evil Queen and Snow White, and the other one was of Maleficent and Aurora. How beautiful is this? So if you don't know, not only is Maleficent one of my favorite villains, but Sleeping Beauty is my favorite Disney movie. I love the Tchaikovsky music, I love the artwork. I just find it visually stunning. And it has like the best villain of all time. And I had a crush on Prince Philip when I was little, so had a lot of things going for it. But look at how beautiful this is. Look at the detail. Aurora just seems so like blissfully unaware with her beautiful pink gown, although I like it better blue. And then you have Maleficent giving her some serious villain side eye. You have the beautiful stand that it's on with the flowers, and oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. Oh, I love this. Add it to my Maleficent collection, which is getting kind of out of control. I love this. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Bibbidi. You guys did an amazing job again. So let's check out my cheat sheet and see how we did. Okay, so again, they just throw in the calendar. That's not factored into the costs. I think they're just inundated with calendars. calendars. They're just like willy-nilly putting them in boxes, so can't get mad at that, right? All right, so, oh, this is the first time in a couple months I've actually had a name on my packing slip. So my box was curated with love by Amanda. Thank you, Amanda, I love it. So my Lillian and Company stackable bracelet, Darth Vader, was $32. Holy smokes. All right, I mean, I like it. I have to see if I can scrunch it in a little bit. Oh yeah, it's adjustable. I have like child-sized wrists. Oh, anyway, I digress. So the bracelet was $32, and the Disney Traditions Jim Shore, Aurora and Maleficent Sorcery and Serenity figurine was $95. Sorcery and Serenity. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, so what was your favorite item in the box? You didn't have a lot to choose from. Was it the bracelet or was it the Jim Shore? But I think they're both fantastic. And again, just such a fun time to open the box because they've never sent me something that I didn't like. They sent me a cat collar one time. I mean, do they know me or do they know me? Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.